Hey everybody, it's Bishop Barron. I want to tell you about this latest book from Word on Fire. I'm super proud of it. It's called Jordan Peterson, God and Christianity. Written by two Word on Fire fellows, also professors at Loyola Marymount University, Kaczor and Matthew Petrusek. I'm sure you know about Jordan Peterson, one of the most influential figures on the cultural scene today. Psychology professor from the University of Toronto who burst on the scene, maybe 7 or 10 years ago now, and has emerged as a very popular, very influential cultural figure. And it was shown, I think, a very keen interest in religious matters. You know, a few years ago when I was chair of the Bishops' Committee on Evangelization, I spoke to the bishops and I laid out some of the dispiriting news about all those who are leaving the church. But then I offered some signs of hope, and one of them, I said, was the Jordan Peterson phenomenon. What I meant was this rather mild-mannered psychology professor is giving lectures to tens of thousands and talks to millions on social media, many to young people, especially young men, and he's talking about the Bible. And so I said to my brother bishops, I think, I'm not that I'm agreeing with every word that he says, I don't, but it's a sign of hope that someone talking about the Bible in a provocative, intelligent way can attract a rather large audience. Well, this book is the first one of its kind. Two serious Catholic scholars engaging the work of Peterson, both on social media and his written work. So I think for anyone interested in Peterson, in Christianity, and especially in the interface between the two, will really benefit from this book. One feature at the very back, there's at least a summary, I think it is, of this dialogue that I had with Jordan Peterson a few months ago that's up on YouTube that was I thought, very rich and very interesting. And they have most of it in transcript form back here. So again, I think it's a book that will be of interest to anyone who's plugged into the culture, anyone interested in evangelization, in Peterson or in Christianity. So get it if you can. Jordan Peterson, God and Christianity, the latest book from Word on Fire. God bless you.